Hey guys, in this exercise, we are going to be doing our second color correction. So go to File, Open, and select this image, that's color correction tree, and open it. Okay, and we can basically hit Ctrl S for this, and then close our file. Now this is the color correction tree image. Now we're going to start with levels. Okay, we're going to start with levels. So levels. Bring this. Okay, we don't want to lose our white colors really. So we can zoom in and see how everything is going. Yeah, so I feel this works. Okay, so this is before and this after. Perfect. Now the next thing we'll do is add our curves. So where are our curves? These are our curves. So other curves, make this bit brighter. We want our effect to be quite subtle. Okay. So this looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so we have our curves, we have our levels. Okay, perfect. What next? We can add our vibrance. We can add vibrance. Okay, so vibrance, where is vibrance? Vibrance, where are you? Now this vibrance. So we can just increase our vibrance. We can see what we get, right? Perfect. So we can even take it to the highest. Perfect. Next thing is our saturation. Okay, saturation. And then yeah, so our colors should be more saturated. You got it. Perfect. Okay guys, so the next thing we'll do is let's add the color lookup in this one. So in the previous one we didn't add the color lookup, but in this one we're going to add the color lookup. So click on color lookup and then let's choose let's try some of these presets. Let's see. Not a fan of this. Let's see this. Okay guys, so I want to go with this color lookup filter. And yeah, so we went from having this to having this. Perfect. All thanks to color correction in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to hit Ctrl S for save and then save this as exercise 2 color correction. Hit save. Perfect. Now with this, we've come to the end of this video or this exercise on color correction. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.